morning, everybody out there, or good day, or good afternoon. Time to get on these ones.
Looks like all the 56's power window stuff. A bunch of extra parts for 56. Stuff's been buried back there for years, but it's already been all pre-mocked up, so it should go in pretty easy. Clean that dusty stuff up. But before we put those in, we're gonna need to put our G-locks and our mirrors. I gotta remember to record this stuff. So I had this kind of in between those two shelves there, wedged back there with a bungee cord for God knows how long. Alright. The corner caught on fire, it looks like, at one time. So there you go. There's your grinding wires. And everything looks good in here. So we got the whole molding set. It's been up here forever. So we gotta wrap these around the glass. Look like this, and then just wrap them around the glass real slow and Alright, so I got a 5/64 drill bit. We're going to start installing these felt garnishes, the runners. So we're going to start at one end. I'm going to clamp them. We're going to drill a hole. We're going to space them about 6 inches apart and work our way down to the other end. And when we do it on the car itself, I'm going to have a little collar on here so I don't drill too far or anything because it's obviously already painted. So here we go. Alright, so we got that one garnish down. Just one piece of the puzzle. So we got 3 more garnishes to go, or molding. Then I gotta do the car, which is gonna be the fun part. So the first time I was just bending them back and forth with my little thing, but this time I just straightened them out and I'm gonna just clip them off. It's a little easier, I think. Alright, so I just got done with the last one. So you notice I left them a little long because you can always curve them up. And sometimes they look a little better when they're curved around the corner, and you just cut them with a pair of dikes. So. Well, that was the easy part. The hard part's going to be on doing these. They originally took clips. You can see the slot there. Slot. So I have clips back here. Alright guys, back in the garage. I already got started because I forgot to charge my phone last night and I had to charge it this morning, so I got a little head start and I'll show you what I got going. We got the door all taped off here in case we slip or anything. I got the first screw in there already. I just took basically a little piece of aluminum that I had, stuck it on my lathe, drilled a hole through it. And that's my little stopper, so my drill bit doesn't obviously keep going through. So that's how we're going to do it. I'll set up a time lapse and we'll get this door done. Normally they run these straight through. I'm going to wrap it up on both sides. I think it'll be a little more finished looking, even though I wasn't recording that. So normally it goes straight through there. And I'm going to wrap it up around the corner a little bit. It'll be more finished looking. So here we go. And we got a mail call from our friendly UPS guy. Holy moly. That's a box of parts now. Alright, looks like we got most of the stuff we need. Wire. What is this? Oh, looks nice. Alright, so most of our stuff's here. Footage there of taking this back off. So what I did is I marked it once I got these in there, and then I took it back off. So basically this chrome piece just ties right into that one. So it's a real clean look, wraps around the corner. This side. Figure out where the stupid plug goes. I should have put it on first. So I'm using my camera here. I believe that's it. So, yeah, that's it. All right. Alright guys, so we got the glass in. It's going up and down. So, you can bind all the way up, but I think it just needs to break in. Might be able to adjust this a smidge and get it to roll up and down a little smoother, but it's working. So now what we got to do is we'll lower the window back down, lower the felt down a little bit. We'll use silicone, and we'll put silicone along this, and we'll either roll the window up against it to hold it high, or we'll tape it off. If we have like loose spots, we might just tape it. Like these corners are always really tough to get tucked up and really nice line around there. So we may come in with like a rubber mallet and something really soft and like plastic, and just kind of lightly tap on them and get them up into the corners. But otherwise, all the fit and finish of this is turning out real nice. It's just very time consuming, but you know, it takes a few hours to do one door. That's what it takes. So we'll get her done one thing at a time. So we got our window felt gluing in. Let's see that very well. It follows that real nicely. It's almost tucked away where you almost don't see it. That's the way we want it. So now what we got to do is work on this inner garnish. We need to make our cuts to where they're going to line up. This one's obviously just running wild right now, so we're going to have to figure that out. Probably take this on and off one more time, and once we get that one fit, tomorrow once this silicone's dry, we can put that frame on and we'll be good to go. So we'll see if we can work on that, see how far we can get on that right now. So we ended up getting that all fit just before the phone died. Put a little bit of a charge on it to finish this video. So all this will end up being upholstered, and the dash will be upholstered, the seat base, just about everything's going to be upholstered. So you know what you guys think. It turned out real clean. I think that's a buffing mark on there or something. I don't know what that is. Fine details. Everything has to be. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video today. That's a lot of work doing these windows. It takes some time. You gotta, obviously, you gotta take your time. You can scratch the paint. You can do a lot of things, damage things. So, and you want it to fit real nice. You want a nice fit and finish when you're done with things. So, just take your time. It takes a few hours to do each window, and when you're done, you'll have a nice product. So hope everybody learned something. I mean, I mostly time-lapse this video, so maybe I'll do a little, if you guys want, I'll do a little how-to and some tricks on this kind of stuff. But it's pretty straightforward. You just work it around that glass really slow, a little bit at a time. Use a rubber mallet, helps out a little bit, and once you get that felt formed, you're in the money then. So. Right on, guys. Hope you all enjoyed, guys and girls, I should say. And everybody have a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button here. More Heimlich Hot Rod videos here. Thanks for watching.